Exercise 10.2, question number 16. Y equal to e power minus x log x. Y is a function of x and we have the function in product of two terms, e power minus x into log x. Using product rule, dy by dx equal to first term as it is e power minus x d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of e power minus x. E power minus x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x. No, derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. Here e power minus x is common. So write one more step. E power minus x by x is plus into minus minus log x e power minus x. E power minus x common, taking outside, dy by dx equal to e power minus x into 1 by x minus log x. Question number 17. Y equal to x square plus 5 into log of 1 plus x into e power minus 3x. Here y is a function of x. You have product of three terms. Applying product rule. Keep first two terms as it is, differentiate the third term, plus keep first third term as it is, differentiate the second term, plus second third term as it is, differentiate the first term. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to x square plus 5 log of 1 plus x into d by dx of e power minus 3x plus x square plus 5 into e power minus 3x d by dx of log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x e power minus 3x d by dx of x square plus 5. So this again, x square plus 5 log of 1 plus x, derivative of e power minus 3x is minus 3 e power minus 3x plus x square plus 5 e power minus 3x, derivative of log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x e power minus 3x. Differentiating, derivative of x square is 2x plus 5 constant, derivative of 5 is 0. So that we need not write. Taking the common term outside, e power minus 3x is common. So dy by dx is e power minus 3x into. So here the balance is minus 3 x square plus 5 log of 1 plus x plus here x square plus 5 by 1 plus x plus 2x log of 1 plus x. Next, question number 18. Y equal to sin x degree. To find the derivative. Here, the variable x is given in degree. First, let us convert to radian. In trigonometry, we have learned this. 180 degree is equal to pi. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. Therefore, x degree is into x. Pi by 180 into x. So, this x degree replaced by pi x by 180. So, y is equal to sin pi by 180 x. Now, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin pi by 180 x. You know, derivative of sin x is cos x. So, cos pi by 180 x, again we have to differentiate this. So, differentiating this, you will get pi by 180, chain rule. So, this pi by 180 you can take it to the front. So dy by dx equal to pi by 180 cos pi by 180 x. Question number 19. Y is equal to log x base 10. Y is a function of x. So differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of log x base 10. So already I have given you the formula. Derivative of log x base a. It's log e base a. So here instead of a we have 10. So derivative of log x base 10 is log e base 10 into 1 by x. Yes. So derivative of log x base 10 is log e base 10 into 1 by x. Next question number 20. Draw the function f dash of x if f of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. F of x is given. First let us find out the derivative f dash of x. Then we will draw the function. So taking f of x 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Here f is a function of x. So differentiating with respect to x. F dash of x is differentiating the 2 constant. So 2 d by dx of x square minus 5 constant. So 5 d by dx of x plus d by dx of 3. 2 derivative of x square is 2x minus 5 derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of constant is 0. So multiplying 4x minus 5. F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 5. Now you want to draw the function. For drawing x, y. Here instead of y we have f dash of x. So write x, f dash of x. Substituting values. So here you have f dash of x is equal to 4x minus 5. For x you substitute 0. So when x is equal to 0, if I substitute 0, 4 into 0, 0, 0 minus 5, minus 5. So for x equal to 0, f dash of x is minus 5. Then second one, put f dash of x equal to 0. So inga 0 putting abdina 0 equal to 4x minus 5. Taking 5 left hand side, 5 equal to 4x. Or x is equal to 5 by 4 dividing 1.25. So when f dash of x equal to 0, x is 1.25. So these are the values. With these 2 points, we can draw the graph. So draw x-axis and f dash of x. So instead of y, we have f dash of x. So draw x-axis, f dash of x. Plotting the points 0, minus 5. X-axis 0, f dash la minus 5. So this is the point 0, minus 5. 1.25. X-axis la 1.25, 0. So these are the 2 points. Joining, you get the straight line. So this is the graph of f dash of x is equal to 4x minus 5. Yes, this calculation உங்களுக்காக நான் போட்டு காமிச்சேன். So just 2 points is enough to draw the graph.